6 a.m. on the dot at Stout Lake's trailhead. The road getting here is a little intense. Got to use X mode on the Subaru. Should be fun. So we started, I think, a little above 8,000 feet, and we're going to about 12,000 feet. So it's like 4.5 miles of up. All right, sun's out, guns out. We're a little more than 2 miles up and about 1,600 feet climbed, so halfway. All right, about a mile to go, almost to above tree line, and ready to get cooled off in the lake. Pretty cool to see the snowmelt waterfalls. Summit! I'm not a fish person, I'm vegan, but there's like enormous, amazing trout everywhere. Like, you could probably just pick one up. Second lake, double summit. This is amazing. Going down. All right, we're less than 2 miles to the bottom. Going pretty well through the weeds. We did it. 9 miles exactly. So tough.